It's Keto Granny, and I'll be making Keto Mason jar ice cream. I will be using heavy whipping cream, Swerve. I will be using chocolate powder. You'll need a mason jar. You're going to be needing a measuring cup along with your measuring spoons and some vanilla extract. You're going to take all of these ingredients and combine them in the mason jar. You're going to add your vanilla extract to this, and you probably want to add about a half a teaspoon or to taste. And I'm going to use the rest of what I have in one little bitty container, and then I'm going to add some more vanilla extract from another container. But this is all added, according to your taste. The ingredients that I put in combined was 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I used 2 tablespoons of Swerve, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and now I'm just adding in some vanilla extract, and I'm going to put the top on this, and I'm going to shake it for at least 5 or about 5 minutes, I would say. But you want to shake it up long enough where you'll feel that it's almost doubled in size, and you want to make sure that you shake it really, really good. Like you can see those chocolate spots on the side. What I did was open up my jar and get a spatula or spoon, and then just, stirred my ice cream a little bit on the inside, put the top back on, and then I shook it up until it was the consistency or feels very, very full where you can't shake it anymore. That's when you want to go ahead and pop it in the freezer, and you want it to stay in the freezer about 3 to 4 hours. After that, take it out, and you've got some creamy, delicious chocolate ice cream. And you can see how creamy that is. And I tell you, it really, really tastes good, and it will hit the spot as far as ice cream. Enjoy.